The Seatek Swing Saw is a versatile tool that aims to combine the functionality of pliers and a hacksaw. It's designed to cut through various materials, but user experiences vary. Let's delve into the positive and negative reviews to assess its value. Firstly, the positive feedback highlights the tool's effectiveness in cutting through a range of materials. One user reported successfully cutting a tuxfur with ease and using it on small branches. Another professional plumber praised its time-saving capabilities when cutting copper pipe, polyvinyl chloride pipe, and cross-linked polyethylene tubing. A general user found it useful for cutting wood, metal, and plastic, considering it the great all-purpose tool. Secondly, the negative feedback reveals concerns about the tool's durability and strength. One user mentioned the blade needing sharpening after only a few uses. Another experienced the pliers snapping while attempting to bend wire. A third user found the tool bulky and awkward in tight spaces. These mixed reviews suggest that the Seatek Swing Saw might excel in certain situations but fall short in others. The overall impression, based on user reviews, is that the Seatek Swing Saw is a versatile tool capable of cutting through various materials efficiently. However, potential buyers should be aware of the reported issues concerning blade durability and plier strength. The tool's suitability depends on the intended use and the user's expectations. If you're seeking an all-purpose tool for cutting wood, metal, and plastic, the Seatek Swing Saw could be a viable option. However, for heavy-duty tasks or work in confined spaces, alternative tools might be more appropriate. Consider these points before making a purchase. The positive reviews emphasize the tool's ability to handle common cutting tasks effectively. The ability to cut through a tuxfur with ease suggests sufficient power for basic woodworking projects. The plumber's testimonial highlights its usefulness in plumbing applications, specifically cutting copper, polyvinyl chloride, and cross-linked polyethylene pipes. The all-purpose claim is further supported by its reported success with wood, metal, and plastic. These positive experiences indicate that the Seatek Swing Saw can be a valuable addition to a DIY enthusiast or professional's toolkit. However, the negative reviews raise important considerations. The blade durability issue is a significant concern, as frequent sharpening or replacement can negate the tool's convenience. The pliers snapping under pressure suggests a limitation in the tool's overall strength and ability to handle demanding tasks. The bulkiness and awkwardness in tight spaces can hinder its usability in certain applications, limiting its versatility. To make an informed decision, consider the specific tasks you intend to use the Seatek Swing Saw for. If your projects primarily involve light-duty cutting of various materials in open spaces, the tool might be a good fit. However, if you anticipate heavy-duty cutting, bending, or working in confined areas, you may want to explore alternative options that offer greater durability, strength, and maneuverability. Consider the cost of replacement blades and the potential need for additional tools to compensate for the Seatek Swing Saw's limitations. Research other similar tools on the market and compare their features, prices, and user reviews. This will help you determine whether the Seatek Swing Saw offers the best value for your specific needs. Ultimately, the decision to purchase the Seatek Swing Saw depends on your individual requirements and expectations. Weigh the positive and negative feedback carefully and consider whether the tool's strengths outweigh its weaknesses in your particular circumstances. Remember to prioritize safety when using any cutting tool, and always wear appropriate protective gear. Regularly inspect the blade for wear and tear, and replace it as needed. Avoid applying excessive force that could damage the tool or cause injury. By following these precautions, you can maximize the lifespan and effectiveness of your Seatek Swing Saw if you choose to purchase it. The versatility of a tool is a key factor to consider when deciding if it's worth investing in. The Seatek Swing Saw aims to be an all-in-one solution, but its success in achieving this goal is debatable based on user experiences. A true all-purpose tool should excel in a wide range of applications without compromising performance or durability. The positive reviews suggest that the Seatek Swing Saw can handle basic cutting tasks adequately. However, the negative reviews indicate that it may not be suitable for more demanding applications. The blade durability issue is particularly concerning, as a dull or fragile blade can significantly hinder cutting performance and increase the risk of injury. The pliers snapping under pressure raises questions about the tool's overall build quality and ability to withstand heavy use. The bulkiness and awkwardness in tight spaces further limit its versatility, as it may not be practical for all projects. Before purchasing the Seatek Swing Saw, consider whether its limitations align with your specific needs. If you primarily require a tool for light-duty cutting tasks in open spaces, it might be a worthwhile investment. However, if you anticipate more challenging projects or work in confined areas, you may want to explore alternative options that offer greater durability, strength, and maneuverability. Consider the availability and cost of replacement blades. A readily available and affordable supply of blades is essential for maintaining the tool's performance over time. Research other similar tools on the market and compare their features, prices, and user reviews. This will help you determine whether the Seatek Swing Saw offers the best value for your specific requirements. Look for tools that have a proven track record of reliability and durability. Read reviews from experienced users who have tested the tools in various conditions. Pay attention to comments about blade sharpness, handle comfort, and overall build quality. Consider the warranty offered by the manufacturer. A comprehensive warranty can provide peace of mind and protect you against potential defects or malfunctions. If possible, try out the tool before purchasing it. This will give you a better sense of its ergonomics, balance, and cutting performance. Check for any signs of looseness or play in the moving parts. Ensure that the blade is securely attached and that the handle provides a comfortable and secure grip. By carefully evaluating these factors, you can make an informed decision about whether the Seatek Swing Saw is the right tool for you. Remember to prioritize safety when using any cutting tool and always wear appropriate protective gear. Read the manufacturer's instructions carefully before using the tool. Follow all safety guidelines to prevent accidents and injuries. Regularly inspect the tool for wear and tear and replace any damaged or worn parts. Store the tool in a safe and secure location when not in use. By following these precautions, you can maximize the lifespan and effectiveness of your Seatek Swing Saw if you choose to purchase it. Remember, the best tool is the one that best suits your specific needs and provides the most value for your investment. Take the time to research your options carefully and choose a tool that will help you accomplish your projects safely and efficiently. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to purchase the Seatek Swing Saw rests on a careful evaluation of your individual needs, expectations, and budget. While the tool offers the potential for versatility and convenience, it's essential to weigh the reported limitations against the potential benefits. A thorough assessment of your specific cutting requirements, combined with a comprehensive comparison of alternative tools, will guide you towards the most informed and practical decision.